A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for hat, I for iron, J for jug, K for king, L for lion, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sheep, T for tiger, U for umbrella, B for van, W for watch, X for Xmas, Y for yak, Z for zebra.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.